Valtierra.
Smoking is no longer allowed in public housing nationwide. That's according to a new policy set by the U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development.
I spoke with residents from a local public housing agency where smoking is already banned. Most believe it's beneficial.
I'd rather smoke wherever I want.
Rockford resident Damian Dragon can't and hasn't been able to in the past 5 years. He's lived at a Winnebago County Public Housing Authority apartment.
Our concern at the time was for the health of our residents. We have family housing. We also have a lot of housing for senior and disabled residents who have compromised health situations.
9 years ago, the Winnebago County Housing Authority put in place what is now a national policy in public housing residencies. The guidelines say residents can't smoke on the property and must be at least 25 feet away from buildings.
It's a good thing, and it's not hard to do, and it shouldn't be a deterrence to someone who wants to keep the right to smoke, but also need affordable housing.
The U.S. Department of Housing and Urban Development says that this ban will reduce the risk of fires, lower property maintenance costs, and promote healthier environments.
I quit in October because my chair won't go out in the snow, so the 25 foot, and then you can't smoke inside anymore. It's a great thing. It really is. We have children living in this building too.
We don't have to repaint, which would be necessary, recarpet for someone moving in who's a non-smoker.
The WCHA says enforcing it wasn't an issue. The Housing Authority asked residents for feedback on the ban. Most agreed that it would be beneficial. And for smokers who didn't agree, there were smoking pavilions put up.
And they police it themselves really well. If someone's violating it, smoking in their units, I mean, now because it's non-smoking, people smell it right away and make us aware.
I did make calls out to other local housing authority agencies, but did not receive a call back. The current smoking ban does not include electronic cigarettes, vaping, or chewing tobacco.